In this video, we'll build a dynamic profit margin analysis dashboard from scratch using real financial data. By the end, you'll know how to create clean visuals, write powerful DAX measures, and apply conditional formatting that makes your insights stand out. Let's jump in. We're starting with a dataset that contains sales and profit data by country, segment, product, and date. You'll also find fields like units sold, COGS, and sales price, all the ingredients needed to calculate real-world profitability. Now, let's create the key DAX measures that drive our profit margin analysis. In Power BI, go to the Modeling tab and click on New Measure. We'll start by calculating total sales.
Type this.
Total sales equals sum of the sales column from our financial data table. The formula looks like this. Total sales equals sum, financial_data, sales. This measure will give us the total revenue generated across all countries, products, or time periods, depending on how we filter it. Next, let's calculate total profit.
Type this.
Total profit equals sum, financial_data, profit. This measure will sum up the actual profit made after deducting the cost of goods sold. Now comes the most important part, calculating the profit margin percentage. We'll use the divide function to safely divide profit by sales, avoiding any divide by zero errors. Here's the formula. Profit margin percent equals divide, total profit, total sales. This measure tells us what portion of every dollar in sales is actual profit. For example, a margin of 0.4 means we're keeping 40 cents of every dollar sold as profit. Once these three measures are ready, we can use them across visuals, cards, and conditional formatting. That's it. Your DAX engine is now ready to power your visuals. Now, let's build the dashboard visuals. Add 2 bar charts to the canvas. Set the first chart to profit margin percent by country. Set the second chart to profit margin percent by product. Next, insert slicers for
segment, year.
This will let users interact with the data and dynamically adjust the visuals. Let's now show headline metrics. Add 2 KPI cards. One for total sales, another for total profit. Format them to display in millions with no decimals, clean and professional. Now, let's apply conditional formatting to make our profit margin chart more insightful and visually clear. Click on the bar chart, go to the Format pane, and expand Data Colors. Turn on conditional formatting and choose rules as the format style. Set the field to profit margin percent. Now let's add our color rules. First, we want to highlight loss-making regions or products. So, for values less than 0, we'll use red. This makes it easy to spot negative profit margins at a glance. Next, for values between 0 and 20%, select orange. This shows low profitability, not a loss, but still concerning. Then, for profit margins between 20 and 40%, choose yellow. This indicates moderate profit levels, not bad, but there's room to improve. And finally, for anything greater than 40%, we'll use green. These are your top performers with healthy profit margins. These color rules make it super easy to scan the dashboard and understand what's working and what's not. Repeat the same steps for your second chart, so both visuals use the same color logic. And that's it. Your visuals now speak louder, without saying a word. This instantly makes your dashboard visually intuitive. Red catches your eye for losses, green highlights strong profit areas. Repeat the same conditional formatting for the second chart, profit margin percent by product, to keep your visual language consistent. And that's it. You've just built a professional-grade profit margin analysis dashboard using Power BI. You learned how to write DAX measures, build interactive visuals, apply conditional formatting for instant insights. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team.